वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन टिकटॉक। टिकटॉक से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो अगर वीडियो देखने से पहले, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन का प्रेस कर दीजिए। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। इंस्टाग्राम वेंट from an app for millennials sharing photos of their morning coffee and cute dogs to one of the most recognizable and monetized social platforms. Now, TikTok is beginning to similarly evolve, and brands who are not jumping on TikTok trend are leaving money on the table. If you are new to the platform, consult our What is TikTok guide when you are ready to start learning how to make money on TikTok. There are a few different paths you can take to get there. We have narrowed down the possibilities to six main options, but even within each one lies a world of creative monetization opportunities. For all options, you will want to create an e-commerce website or landing page to give brands, creators, and followers more information than your bio can hold. How to make money on TikTok in 8 ways. Link to your website. Promote partnership. Get paid by TikTok. Sell products on TikTok. Offer your services. Grow accounts and sell them. Collect tips on TikTok. Offer premium paid content. Link to your website. The easiest way to monetize your TikTok account is to create a website and direct traffic to it through a link in your bio. Whether you use this form of TikTok marketing to direct followers to a media kit or portfolio, showcasing your skills is up to you. You can also make money by promoting products or services through affiliate links. When someone clicks on your link and make a purchase, you will earn a commission. Promote partnership. Brand use influencer marketing on TikTok very similarly to how they do on platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Since TikTok is entirely video based, brands look for authentic personalities who have strong video content and an audience who trust them. As a creator, you want to choose brands that align with your content and that will interest your audience. To start, create a few non sponsored videos of your favorite products. This provides brands proof of the value you bring. Product promotion. After Lil Nas X breakout success with his song All Town Road, thanks to TikTok, other creators have partnered with emerging musicians to promote new songs. These are called audio sponsorships, or when an artist pays a TikTok creator to use their song in one of their clips. The clip might not explicitly promote their song but rather show a dance or a video in the creator's particular style with the music in the background. Get paid by TikTok. In July 2020, TikTok launched its 200 million creator fund, encouraging users to showcase their voices on the platform. The company estimates the fund will grow to $1 billion by 2023. To apply for the Creativity Program, formerly called the Creator Fund, users need to meet the following requirements: be at least 18 years old, be a TikTok Pro user, be based in the US, UK, Germany, Spain, France, or Italy, have a minimum of 10,000 followers on TikTok, have a minimum of 1 lakh unique video views in the 30 days before applying, comply with the TikTok community guidelines and terms of services. TikTok pay according to authentic views and engagement levels, meaning that the more creative and engaging content you post, the more you are rewarded. टिकटॉक से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, हमने देखा आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। आप लोगों से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।